face of happiness below. That was all before a man in dark cloak appeared and trampled my eyes. I realized that my life wasn't that beautiful anymore. The flowers are gone, smiles are all gone. All I can see are dead ghosts. All I can see are dead people. All I can see are sinners. All I can see are envious people. But then, there's one thing that remained in my heart. My love for my husband remains. I am Persephone, the daughter of Demeter, and the daughter of Zeus. And this is my husband. I am the maiden of spring. I am the cause of winter and spring. I spring to earth whenever it is harvest time. They call me the spring maiden. I am worshipped in the streets. I am called the spring maiden.